ke Dudashin Meghalaya bani priang sobhai pi baro syakatup kubam tak janmin. Syawan page ki kubor ke babnya mine pecoi kimat pakongsan. Let the president kari drop in Shabbat City naka bentar jende kontep. Penklan ke Sorka Meghalaya ya ke jing pahara ya ki jaka kaput hadian ke jing syak thombor haki lekno hapahalgam. Penkre ke Sorka Meghalaya ya ki jing na ke jingwan ke ayom slap ong uba kermen chilla. But kentu ke NPP Farmers Front ya ke Sorka pan kemi halor kimat kibakta ya ke rep karyang. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka Presiden Kari ka Draupadi Murmu kala lej Vatican City hende ka step banishim benta ha ka jinglej on tap ya upop Francis. La senran lang ya ka da Menteri Katanat Parliamentary Affairs Kiran Rijiju, Menteri Khana ka Sarkar Pedeng uba khami ya Katanat Minority Affairs George Kurian bat usembut lampang jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka Goa Joshua D'Souza. Ka Presiden kan sasa arsengi ha kane ka jinglej jongka ka ban penpau ya ka jingishim benta kari ha ka jingle buram khaddu ya ki kam jong upop kumjo ru ka Sorka Meghalaya kala penbena ban rakhe ya ka sngi tep jong upop kum ka sngi ban le sngaulem ha ka jilla. Ha ka bayadai bat ka jingja thombor jong ki lekno dangshan ha pahalgam Jammu bat Kashmir ka Sorka jilla kala penklan ya ka jing pahara ya ki jaka kaput bat kari Bangladesh. Menteri Katanat ki kam jngok kai perthai uba pol lingdo ula pentip syapang ka jinga trelang bat ki sipai BSF bat jingya kran bat ka DGP ikong ida shisha nongrang halor ka jing penklan ya ki lat pahara. Ka jilla kala penstet ru bantung lai hajar ngut ki pulit ha ka kam balaj. Daka ba penram halor ka jing sha thombor ha pahalgam kum ka jingle tomet bat bam khen uba lingdo ula pen scam ba ka Sarkar jilla kan tre shitam na ka benta ka jing shngan kari bat ai jing kershan ya ka Sarkar pedeng ha ka jingle persha ya ki kam pentrem.
Now very vigilant. We are in constant touch with the BSF. The Chief Minister had met the DG. I had met him separately. And we are also going for more recruitment in the state police. As you are aware, about 3,000 vacancies will be filled up. And also wherever there are areas where there is a gap in ensuring the safety of citizens, we are coordinating with central forces and especially the BSF, which has a vast presence in Meghalaya.
Menteri Katanat Revenue but Disaster Management iba kermen shilla ila ong ba ka Sarkar jilla kala dep shimlut ya kilat yada baro na ka jing sedang jong ka ayam slap ka bajuan lam ya ka jing shlei ka jing tua kendo bat ka jing lang haki jaka ne kilenti. Ula penting kena bagi nong terai jong Katanat kilong ki bapet perman kenang ba anla ban ai jingerap ha ka por ka babiang da ka baken turu ya ki ba ban ya treilang kenang ba anla ban ai jingerap lada wanja kanu ka jingja na ka jingwan lin shop kami mariang.
Meghalaya is a place where we have this kind of terrain and we fall under seismic zone 5, so where it could be anytime could attack us, so we have to be very much alert and then try to help each others. And from the department, we will ensure that we will give the best service we can to the people of our state. But no doubt, no matter how we tried, natural calamity could happen at any time. So where it is unpredictable. So my request to all the people of our state to kindly be alert and then work with us, and we make sure that no life will be lost.
Ka NPP Farmers Front kalaya wer ya ka Sarkar jilla banle AA kham kloi halor kamat ka bakta ya kinong rep ka bakan thop ya ka jingpen kala ya ka dor jong sinsar ka ba ai jingrap ya ki dawai sbo ka ba pen sapriang jingtip syapang ka CM Assure scheme bat ka bayale persha ya ka jingpang ka bakta ya ki jingrep ya ukwai. Haga jingalang kabala penyai do chairman iba HM Shangpliang bat u general secretary iba Egan Star Kurkalang kilaya kren halor ki jing e na ka jingbu dor baduna jong ka sarkar ya usinsar kabalong san pasan tingka sau pho tingka bat lai pho tingka shikilo kat kum ka jing bhajong ki bat kumju ru ya ka kota ka baduna kabalong tang pras pa kilo iba Shangpliang ila banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban kenteu ya ka kota bat ban kershan khambha ya ki nong rep ki ba penmi khambun
Belong yang ni kerja alam menasi ban pensyai Ahmad kini kinong yalam jong kinong rep ba kinlej ban pensyai syakinong rep jongi ni barong itip bakador jong sensar kelahir sebapalan ndrei ka sorkar kalawan syakmat ban ai ya kata ka jingkersian ban yarap ya kata ka benta ka ba lese kini kinong rep jongi kidunong de hangta ba kalabu dakador ba ya grade A lani number 1 dakador kalom santusan tangka ya ka grade 2 lani grade B ka dei saupo but grade 3 kemudian grade C ka dei lai ko tangka
Hadian ka jingwan pai jong arpo armut ki khna jong ka jilla na ka school ha Bengaluru ha ka ba armut ki khna pule ki la khlat no hadian ba ki la yo ban bam ya ka jing bam ka balas niu udukot jong ka cabinet iba kermen shilla ila kentu ya ki mi ki pa ban long ki ba fikir ha ka ba pha ya ki khon na ni ki khna shabar jilla na ka benta ka jing pule ka jong ki da ka ba banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban wat jing tip company bat iba shilla ila ai jingmut ya ki mi ki pa man pha ya ki kot ki sla jong ki khun jongki Shakit Deputy Commissioner khanang ban pensuk ya ka sarkar ban pha ik jingerap ki bakloi habajia kanu ka jingja ula ongru ba ka sarkar kan yele shitam ban pentikna baki khna ki ba pulis shabar kin snow shngan bat kin bit kin biang
We need to sensitize, and then we need to give awareness to our parents when they send their children outside, especially all these things needs to be taken care, and then especially to be alert and then try to find out what exactly is happening with the children. Otherwise, if just with the trust to somebody and then without monitoring, so it could happen something which will be very sad for us.
Hadin jong ka jingja sha thombor ha pahalgam ki bor penyat kila penprano ya ka yengsa jong ki armut ki le no jong ka lashkar e taiba kayeng jong Asif Sheikh ha Pulwama Hatral bat kayeng jong Adil Thoker ha Anannak ha Bich Bhera lapen khalam da ka papendan kam ya ki tiar pen bethai baro ar kine ki le no langej bakidon kti ha ka jing thombor ka bala shim no ya ka jing im jong ar phunrungut ki brio ki bakun thop ya ar pusan ngut ki nong jong kai perthei bat iwei itrashnong kajing penpra kalong kum shibenta jong kajing trai shitam kishnat pahara banyele persha yakitu ki bakershan yaki kampentrim hakathan Kashilong Muslim Union kala penramjur halor kajingja thombor jong ki leno kabadang shen ha pahalgam kabala khta yaki rio pajba ki baloiloi Habakren bar Kadidi News unur nongrum ubolong u Assistant General Secretary jong Union ulapan pau ya kajing so si jur bat kajing so lem ya ki longyeng ki pasakta ulaong bakum kini ki jingle donbor ki ya pher na kajing hikai jong Islam ka Union kala kentu ya ki bor badai khmi banshim ya ki lar ki badai hok bat ki bakloi persha ya ki nong thombor bat ulaya weru ya baro ki jaj penriu ban ya teli bat yengskem ha kanong rem ban penne ya kajing sok bat ka hok
Such an act of violence is inhumane, and we stand with the family. I must say out here that each and every citizen of the country should be stand in grief with them. Here I must say, those terrorists have no religion. In fact, the very core teaching of Islam is to stand completely with peace, tranquility and harmony.
Kumshi benta jongka campaign Keeping Our Children Safe kabashisin chisnem jongka Faith Foundation kala penlong ya ka jingpleu jingmut bat ka jingkren kabashisngi halor kapang kabala aikerteng Guardians for Child Safety ha Bosco Integrated Development Society lani ka bits ha kani ka program lawan banishim benta da kinong hikai bat kinong penyat school kabapai khmat halor kapang pedeng kabak menta usnem kabalong a safe child is a happy child ha ka jing ai jingkren jongka ka Agatha ke Sangma kabalong ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Right kala kren halor ki jingtieng ha ka bayadei bat ki kamsha bat bor ki khna bat ka jingsha kantat nakalyang jong ki kmi ki pa kani ka senjam kabalami nakapang pedeng My Safe Space campaign kaba arsna minchwa kalayai beteng ban prang ya ka jingdon kam jong ka jingsngan ki khna bat kilat ai jingyada.
I have realized that there is so much stigma which is attached to the concept, to the idea of child sexual abuse. But often parents ignore it, parents shrug it and pretend it's not happening. Because according to data, they say that almost about 90% of the child sexual abuse that actually takes place happens within your own families. You know, I mean, the abuser will be somebody who is known to the child.
Kisang patba baper hari rom garo hinen kasni kila penlong ya kajing yaki da ka basyong mongor ka ba arsni hak office jong ka GHADC bandawa bandon yala ka jong ka electoral rule na ka benta ka election GHADC bat ban pentre kamno mardor ya ka an riti jong ki garo ki kendon shakri bapura na ka benta ki nong tre bat ki kendon baperkheng bha hakalyang ka pisatingka kunthop ya ka jing thau ya ka committee ban pej ya ka jing khen jing dia jong ki patba kani ka jing yaki ka ba la pen pau da ki plakat bat ki jing kren ka ba pen ishai ya ki jing dawa ki ba khoj ba suba bat ka jing pene pensa ya ka kolshor bat jing long trai hapo ka jing trai kam jong ka council. Ka District Legal Services Authority West Khasi Hills haringkat ka jingas nok tilang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society kala penlong ya ka program ai jingtip bat jing pensong thu ban ya khun persha ya ka jingpang HIV lani AIDS bat ka jingsha nyoben ha ka imlang ka salang lapenya ya ka ni ka program the Chief Judicial Magistrate EDMKS Shadap bat ha ka ni ka program lapen ya ki jing shampang na ki he jong ka an bat ka kot ka kya ki bala batai benia ya kajing yada kajing sumar kijing yada kat kum kaan bat kajing don kam ban ai min sim bat jing rap lang iwe layo jing tip baladon ars pa kan ringut kinong pang HIV ha ka district ka program kala kentu menle test mon ngobha bat penpau ba ka HIV bat ka AIDS Prevention and Control Act 2000 khatnyo kum kajing yada ka bakongsan na ka benta ki brio ki basyakta.
The HIV and AIDS epidemic remains a defining global health issue, one that intersects with broader concerns of human rights, social economic development, gender equity, and public policy. While we acknowledge the remarkable progress made over the past decades through scientific innovation or policy reforms,
Ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society lani ka DDMU kala penkut no ya ka program ai jing hikai ka Poshan Pakwara ha East and West Khasi Hills District daki program penkut Hatirat Singh Memorial Hall Mairang ha kani ka program ai jing hikai lawan bani shimbenta daki nong yalam shnong bat ki dekot jong ki seng shnong ki committee ka khya jong ki shnong bat ki self help group bat ki la banjur halor ki jingdon kam jong ki jingbam na ka benta ki long kmi ki ba armet bat ki khna Kajing pen na ka blok mauthat raisen bat mairang kilak pen kesan ya ki jingbam batay met bat thung ya ki chur batay met lasam ya ki sernot ai kuble shakitu ki blawan bani shimbenta ha kajing pen sngo thu pat ba ha kaleng ka district. Lapenlong ya ke Meghalaya State Muay Thai Championship Arjal Arpusan kabasan ha Sports Council Indoor Stadium Sidon da ke Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya. Kani ke Limpung ke balai sngi layo I ya kinong ile kai na keleng ke district balapen kup buram de kiriu pau khmat bakentup u Deputy Commissioner jong karib hoi u Abhilaj Baranwal u Assistant Commandant ke CRPF u Rajan NA u President ke MTAM u Ba Angela Sun bat u Baranwal ula banjur ya ke benta jong ke jing ile kai martial arts ban hikai ya ke jing long renti bat jing tmu hapdeng ki samla ka bapenlong ya ke ni ke jing ile kai kum ka sin jam ka bakongsan ha ka ban kintiu ya ke jing ko jing khia bat ka jing roi jing par shimet lingba ka ni ke jing ile kai Mentang ini pek ya kajing long jingman kasun bineng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong apply degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 500 degree Celsius. Kajing siam ka hau kalong 100 nak shispa. Haba pai pat hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong 100 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 8.8 degree Celsius kajing siam ka hau kalong 100 nak shispa. Kat bahajo wai pat kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing siam ka hau kalong 100 saw nak shispa. Kasun bineng kan slap hatura hajo wai bat hasilong haki babun ki jaka. Te palok atung ila poi syaka bakut jang ketuk ba jengi mata ka janmit hadu menai syam yang pilih syaka sini kuble ipi palok.
Fast.